All right, well, now we're gonna move our way into the inside of the Conquest. What a beaut. What a goddamn beaut. Like that. Look at that. That's a beaut. It's the best. So we got this guy. Third brake light. It's actually for like a license plate, I do believe.
I have no clue.
I think it's like mounted on license plate. But so we're gonna mount it like so. And then, so this has white and red. What we determined, we were gonna do like the reverse lights hooked up to this, but came up with a better idea. So when you open up, there's like a little mechanism right there, and obviously when you open up the trunk, then it lights up. So we're gonna wire up the white light to that, and then we'll wire up the red wire to the, you know, the brakes. So. But alright, let's try and get this thing mounted, and then we'll have to figure out where this panel is that covers this, and then we'll have to modify that to allow this thing to be mounted up in here, and yeah, so let's do this. Alright, well, we got that in there, screwed in. It didn't go through the roof, so that's always a plus, even though it just went into like the drippage crap and got in the way of the window. But it closes, and it's actually pretty okay. We'll find out later tonight. Paul's got to leave soon, so and he's got to grab the solder gun so we could do that, because it has to be soldered. Yeah, and then all we got to do is connect. I think the yellow wire is our brakes. And then the red wire is the one that's got to go to that switch. And, yeah. So, let's, do work. I think we just pretty much ran wires, even though after I ran them, I realized that we kind of screwed the Paul screwed the pooch, and it's basically what I'm trying to say is he screwed us, and there's a difference. Basically, we got to run a wire from the light in the middle here to the front, and I ran both to the back. The brake one has to go up to the front to the switch, to the brake switch. You can't run it off the back because the driver's side, all there is like basically like turn signals in the back, so yeah. So that kind of sucks. Good thinking on Paul's part. Yep. And so yeah, now we gotta rerun a wire all the way up to the front. So we'll do that, and I'm sure Paul will solder his little heart away. But yeah, let's do that. Fucking eye's pissed. I got a scratch with the fucking wire. Just my luck. Yeah, so we got it plugged in, and like basically the third brake light is on all the time, and it's not supposed to be. Pretty sure what the problem is. So like on my Fiero, my switch has power in and then 2 powers, or like 2 powers out when the button is pressed. So I'm pretty sure the issue at hand is pretty much that. We need another one because basically I think it's just backfeeding from this one, or from, because this is connected to, it's connected to the steering column into that switch, so that way it can run power through. So pretty much I think it's backfeeding. So we need to get another switch that has 1 inlet and 2 outlets. So, but that's where we're at right now. We'll see if we come up with a solution here within the next couple clips here. So. All right, believe it or not, we figured something out. So basically, we screwed this one in because it has a nut on the other side, making enough room on this side. So this is actually the clutch one off of this, and then we also grabbed the other clutch one off of the Mighty Max that's chilling outside. So I drilled a hole here, put that one through, put the nut on the other side, and there's like no room, but they both work. I just tested them with the current thing and they light up when you step on the pedal, so that's awesome. Now we got to go pretty much wire it up and then we should be good. So now basically when you step on this, it's releasing 2 switches, so it's like there's 2 brake switches, so one will be for third brake and the other will be for the other brakes. So all right, let's get this shit wired up. Did a little bit of this. We'll cut this and then splice them into the other side, and then this connector will be gone because we won't be using any of the other stuff. Then we'll just have to cap off all these extra wires that come off of the steering column here. And then so yeah, we let's see, where is the light? So we put the 2 switches up in there and we wired those in. One is for the actual tail lights and the other is for your third brake light. And have Paul do the honors. Hold on, let me make sure I can. And boom, look at that. Keep doing it. I feel like the third brake light comes on just a little bit quicker. Yeah. Oh well. Looks freaking sweet. You show the hatch light. Yeah, let's we'll shut off this here. Which one's your? Holy mother of God! It's. Am I supposed to see where I'm supposed to plug this in? Yeah, once you plug it in. Are you gonna plug it in or what?
I'm trying. Oh, there we go.
Oh my God! Wow, that works really good.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Lights up pretty good. So yeah, so when basically right here, you got this little trunk popper. So when it's closed, it's off. When it's open, it's on. Makes sense? But yeah, that thing turned out pretty cool. And then it's also the third brake light. So it worked out pretty good. So, all right, real quick, we're gonna put the covers here and then hopefully maybe make the cover for up top. Maybe do the sides. We'll try and get some of these covers in here, so that way it's all back in here. So let's try and get some of this done, and maybe clean up the inside of the car. All right, well, we put in this back piece. This fucking interior is pretty well shot. We got that side. That side's completely in. This side, the bottom 2 pieces are just sitting in there. Top piece is in. we got to modify that still, so that way the light will fit right there. There's how the back looks. But it turned out pretty tight. And the back seat's probably just temporary for comfort of the butt, because it's uncomfortable as fuck to sit in this car. And we're going to have a whole lot more wiring to do. So yeah, although all in all, it was a pretty good day. So, but alright, that's going to be it for this one. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.